it's your girl Renee, and I am coming to you today with an experiment that I want to try because I was watching Miss Linda's live, and she was talking about 6 reasons your garden is struggling. And what caught my attention was because some of my flowers are starting to fall off of my plants, and I was wondering what is going on. So she was saying it could be the weather conditions that's causing it, like either it's too hot, or it gets too cold, or just a variation of temperature changing. And she came up with 3 solutions. So I have tried one of the solutions, which was putting banana peels in a container and just letting them sit there, and then pour that water onto your plants because the plants need that potassium. So I was like, okay, I know that one worked. But she came up with some other ideas, which was you could take the banana peels, put them in water, and you could nuke them in the microwave. And or you could just take some banana peels and put them in a pot, chop them up, let it boil. So that is the one I'm going to try. And she also said if you had a banana plant, you could take the leaves of the banana plant, you can chop them up and put them around your plants. So I am doing the one where I'm going to chop these banana peels up, put them in a pot. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As I have taken a banana peel, and as you can see, I have chopped them all up into pieces, and I have got this on my stove on medium. So I'm going to boil these because Miss Linda says you want to boil them all down because you want to get all that goodness. As you can see on the sides, look at that, that's all that goodness we want to put in this water, and that is going to be the magic touch. With all these banana peels, they're releasing all that goodness into this water, so they will bring our plants back to the way they're supposed to be. So we'll make them stronger so they can hold onto their flowers and produce those vegetables that we all want. So, and then after you boil it, then we're supposed to let it cool off, and then I am going to strain it, take the water, and then I'm going to pour it over my plants. And of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me on that journey, and then we'll just monitor that plant and see how well this new variation of banana water works. I'm telling you, T-Nog is a wealth of information, and I'm so blessed to have her and all the other gardeners in our garden community, because each one of us brings something great to this garden community. So I'm saying we are all blessed to be in this garden community because we are so willing to help each other out if we have any kind of problems or issues in our garden. We just reach out, put our hand up, put it in a live. If you're in a live, you put that question in the comments and stuff. And if they are able, they will come to your aid and they will help you out. This garden community is such a beautiful place to be. So, all right, guys, so I'm going to get this all boiled up, and then we're going to take this outside and pour it on our plants. All right, here we go. It has been boiling for at least almost an hour, so it's hot, and this is what it looks like. All the goodness is in that water. I'm so excited. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour this banana water, and I've got my strainer, and then I've got my bowl underneath. So I'm just going to pick this pot up, and we are going to strain it. Hold on. Let's get ready to strain this pot and put it into the other container. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Get all the goodness out of there. Sorry about the steam. Whew. Take it over here so I can get the steam out of my camera. All right. We have it all in the bowl. Let's move it around a little bit. the bananas. Your whole house will smell just like a banana factory. So let's look at all the juice coming out of there. It's like toasting pasta. And then I'm going to put this pot over here. And this is what we're left with. Look at all that. Let's get close and see all the banana bits and all that infused water with the banana peels. So we're going to let this cool off. And then the next part, we will be pouring it in the garden. Okay. Can't wait to see. Woohoo! So this is the plant I'm talking about. This is my Black Beauty zucchini. And do you see how I have my flowers here? Some of them. But as I turn this pot around, you will see how my flowers are dropping right there. So this is where I am going to apply that banana water that I made. So let's get this thing going. So here is the banana water that I made earlier today, and I am just going to add some of this to this plant. Remove these spent blossoms out the pot, and we're going to add some of this banana water to this plant, and hopefully it will help it come back to life. So I still have some more, so I'm going to go apply this to my other zucchinis and also my tomato plants, because some of the flowers and stuff are dropping off of them. So alrighty guys, we have applied our banana water that we made on the stove with cut up banana peels. So now I'll keep you posted and let you know how this plant is doing. Alright you guys, hope you're having a fabulous day. I hope you're having a great day. And Miss Renee will see you guys in the next video. Come on, zucchini plant. You are looking so good. And this is my Black Beauty zucchini. Alright, here we go. Grow, grow, grow.